love. Today is an unboxing day. My favorite day. My favorite type of days. I am proud, very proud to say that I've held out on buying anything new from Louis Vuitton for quite some time now. And I made sure that I loved this bag and that it was gonna be functional. It was gonna serve a purpose. I could wear it multiple ways with multiple outfits, multiple occasions. So let's get into this unboxing so that you can see exactly what it is that I got and how good I did for myself. It was actually a gift from my husband, and I had been talking about this bag for quite a while. He knew that I needed this type of bag, so he did get this for me for Christmas. It was a total surprise. I'm glad I still wanted this bag so much because I had no idea he was getting it. It was a complete surprise. I definitely unboxed it already and checked it out, but I had to give you the complete package. So here it is. Here's the bag. Here is the lovely box with the beautiful ribbon that they put on it. So here is the inside. This is just the receipt and the sales associate card. I will just toss that to the side. What I got, the multi-pochette accessoire in empreinte black leather. I had said a few times in a few of my past videos that I needed a small black leather bag preferably, and of course I love the black and gold hardware combination. I've been looking at this bag for like over a year. The fact that it's like a double bag, I didn't think that that would be something that I would see as in style for long term. It was more of a trend to me, especially when it came out. It was only in the canvas classic monogram, and it had the woven straps with the little pouch on the outside. It was just very sporty. It was very time appropriate. Prada had a bag similar. Even Chanel had, you know, the double bag situation. That wasn't what I was looking for. I love the fact that you can wear these separately. So that is my intention, is to wear them separately. I just think that two might get a little confusing, a little bulky, but you can definitely do it if you need to carry more items than one or the other will hold. I plan on using the leather strap with the larger pochette and then using the chain and leather woven strap with the smaller one. You could alternate them however you want to. There's so many ways you can mix and match these, especially because the all leather strap is adjustable. It can go from crossbody to just like a under the arm bag, which is super cute to me. If you're in the market for a bag that you need to wear multiple different ways, I still think this is the way to go. I know they have it on the pre-loved market already. You can definitely save anywhere from like $500 to $800 because I've been looking for that as well. But now it's getting to the point where if they're in really good condition, it's a little close to the actual price in store. Most of the ones I've been seeing lately have been like $300 cheaper. At that point, I just preferred to have it brand new. As a shoulder bag, these are just the cutest thing. And right now I'm definitely in my shoulder bag era. I went through my large bag phase for like the past several years, and I'm just now, I guess as my kids get older. My oldest one right now is 9 and my youngest one is 2. As they grow, I need less and less things to bring with me, snacks and toys and diapers and all the things that you need. I tend to only carry my essentials now, and then I keep anything else in the car. That way I can just grab those items as I need it, but I always have my essentials on me. Let me show you how I plan on actually wearing this. This would be super cute when I need a nice evening bag. I looked at the Pochette Felicie and I absolutely love that. I actually got that one for my mom as a birthday gift. I got her the same all black empreinte leather because that's course what I would have wanted. It was a little bit more structured. I think it's a little more fancy. This one is really easy to transition from casual during the day to needing something fancy at night. The chain that goes with the Pochette Felicie I think would look really cute on this, and also being able to double it the way that you can do on that particular bag. I felt like with this multi-pochette accessoire set that it's basically like getting 3 bags in one. And I say that because you have the 2 pouches, but with the 2 straps and one being adjustable, that's already 3 different versions that you can wear these bags. And then you can switch the 2 bags with the 2 straps. So that gives you several different combinations that you can play around with and have this bag fit your needs. I had been trying so hard to resist the temptation of buying a brand new Louis Vuitton bag, and actually hadn't bought a brand new Louis Vuitton bag this entire year because in March is when I got my Chanel bag, and that was definitely enough spending to last me for quite some time. Just a few weeks ago, I purchased a bag from Coach because their quality is still really, really great, especially for that price point. And they had some new designs that I was quite impressed with. So I bought a black Coach bag with gold hardware, and now I'm like, I'll never probably wear it unless I'm just going out with the kids, like to dinners or schools, because I have these now. But because I love all of my bags, I probably will still get some use out of that. I'm just saying that this this combination gives you everything you can possibly need. Day to night, casual or dressy, crossbody, under the shoulder, on the arm. One thing that I was worried about is that I saw people complaining that these two tabs here had different depths of the print. I know some people exchanged their bags because the difference was so noticeable, but these actually look really identical, like the same. So no issues from Louis there. Maybe they finally fixed that issue because, like I said, I've been waiting for over a year to get this one and make sure that I did love it. Now the small one has no pockets. It's just one large compartment. The larger pouch does have one large pocket on the inside. So of course, for evening or special occasions, either one of these will be sufficient to put all of your essentials. But if you do, just listen to that zipper. Don't you just love that? But if you do tend to carry more items or need to carry more items, you can always link the bags together. Another thing that I liked is that since it comes with the two straps, you can use one strap for functionality and then use the other one maybe for decoration, like that. Because as you saw in my other video, I had purchased from Amazon a chain to use as decoration on my other bag. That would be super cute as well. I think with the smaller bag though, the chain kind of just eats it up. It would look a little strange. Yeah. And the funny thing too is that I actually don't like the little tabs on the front. When I wear it, I'll probably wear the tab on the inside and the bag on the outside. I just kind of wish that they made it like this, like most of their other bags. I'm kind of just wondering what the point of that is. I just think it's gonna get kind of messed up the more wear and tear this bag gets. Another pointer, I hope that when you go to the store that you ask for all the baby little samples that you can get. I'm also a fragrance lover. I have a few fragrances from Louis Vuitton, but they release new fragrance smells pretty frequently. And so I always ask to get some samples, mostly because they're so useful when traveling, and by people's reaction, I can definitely tell which one is next on my list. As I use my bag and I get a little more wear out of them, I'll definitely do a full review on how I liked it, how it wore, and if it's still worth it, because I know it's not a brand new design, it's not a new bag, but a lot of videos that I like to see are, is it still worth it? Because I buy what I like, not necessarily if it's trendy or not. Buying this in the empreinte leather is just going to give it that classic, timeless look. So it's not going to be a trendy bag if you're looking for that. It's going to be a more classic bag, especially if you plan on wearing each pouch separately the way that I do. There's so many new bags out there, and some of them are super crazy, but some of them make a lot of sense. I'm trying to get my wish list together for 2023, but at the same time, I'm making sure that the bags that I'm putting on my wish list are checking off all of the boxes. One of the very first videos that I did was how to go about buying your first luxury purses, and those are rules that I still live by today. The multi-pochette accessoire definitely checks each and every one of those boxes, and I'm very happy to say that this was a smart purchase and definitely fulfilled a lack in my closet. As always, I thank you so much for your time. I love and appreciate you. I'm so excited for our growing little community. Be sure to check out this video so I can see you in the next one. Bye!